Welcome to my channel. My name is Silynthia, and I'm your mom who's trying to get her family to financial freedom. I have a part-time job. I also have an Etsy shop with I am Cassie Budgets and Vlogs. I'll link our shop as well as our freebie down below so you can grab it if you'd like. Also, I did join the collaboration of ladies where we are supporting each other's YouTube channels, and I will link those other ladies. Alrighty, happy Sunday. We are back again. We have decided, we meaning me, to actually make some changes to my high priority. So we're going to see how this goes, and hopefully it goes as smoothly as I'm hoping it will. We'll see though. But let's count up what we're stuffing today. We have 20, 40, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40 bucks. And I have my little cheat sheet off to the side here. And I'm thinking I do want to actually write out my budget really quickly with you in hopes to try to make this a habit. One moment, be right back. Okay, so we are going to try to get this straight. So this is in fact the first week of January. Yes, today is the 3rd. So we're going to just put the 3rd here. At the end of every month, I will in fact be erasing all of these and starting again. I am still on my 3-week break from work. And so I am using PTO, and I believe we calculated we had 140. I think it was 140. So, how are we going to do this? Because I have my cheat sheet, but my cheat sheet is not all that accurate. Let's do $10 to utilities, $20 to internet, $5 to my phone bill, insurance $20, subscriptions $5, and memberships $10. And that is a total of $70. So what I did is I left the money for the rent in my bank account, and you guys should be very proud of me because I did open an actual physical bank instead of an online bank. I can't make any promises that I won't just run through the ATM because it's a habit by now, but I will try to make it a point, like in the future, to try to get exact denominations, but we'll see how that goes. Then we want to go ahead and get our expenses taken care of. So mommy, $10, gas, $20, household, $10, pets, $10, and laundry, $10. And the reason you don't see kiddos here is because they still have Christmas money, and I didn't see the point in continuing on adding that money to that when I could be put it into my savings challenges. So that's where that other, this was 10, 20, 30, 40, 60. So we have 130 in total already, and then we're going to add $10 to our savings challenge today. That's the plan. That's what we're going to do. Yes, perfect. I'm going to go ahead and put this back in my binder after we're finished here. And I think we should just go ahead and, I think since we have almost the exact denominations that we need, we'll get started. These envelopes are from Conversation, and I will link her down below. So fun money is my money, and we're going to go ahead and, I didn't separate the cash, did I? Well, let's just put 10 in there. Oh, trying new things is not my strong suit, but we're going to go for it because it is going to be worth it, I'm sure. $20 to gas, which I'm hoping that's not absolutely necessary because, you know, we're not really going very many places. Household, getting $10 as well. Pets, $10. And my kiddos, we are skipping them. And then in my health, I just have health because I don't have a laundry envelope. We're going to go ahead and put $10 for laundry. Yay, go us. All right, So let's move this off to the side. Perfect. And we'll move into our bills binder, which I did remove the rent envelope. Yay! All right, so these, I didn't make them into envelopes. I just used them as a little dashboard, but they are also from Conversation. So when you purchase this set, it comes with, I don't even know how many, like over 100 categories. And so I just use them for what would work best for me. So we're going to go ahead and put $10 into utilities. And utilities now has 20, 25, 30. And I've been trying to hang on to this 20. I'm going to have to figure out how to get it into a long-term savings because I like it. It's kind of old. And utilities, internet doesn't have a dashboard, but we're going to go ahead and add, we're going to add $10. And I think we may need to, should we take the 20? I don't think we need the 20. Do we need the 20? You know what? Let's just do this. I'm not going to mess with it. If I need the 20, I know where to come back and get it. So, yeah, we'll just leave it for now. All right, and my phone bill is getting $5, and it doesn't have anything in there because we went ahead and made that payment. I really, really would like to see myself get a month ahead, but we'll see how that goes. I was a month ahead at one point in time, and life was grand when that was the case. And insurance getting 20 bucks, and doesn't have anything in there. And subscriptions getting $5, and nothing in there. All right, and this miscellaneous is for memberships, which is $10. And, I did need that change. So let's go back to grab it. Unless I messed up on something, did I put? Okay, I'm going. Okay, let's put this 20 here. I thought I was only supposed to have $10 for savings, but I did something. Maybe I counted wrong. It doesn't matter. We're moving forward. We are going to put $10 into memberships. 10, 30, 40, 50, 60. Okay. All right. So I'm just going to go ahead and put $10 here. Okay. So I miscounted somewhere along the way. And so for savings challenges, we're going to do our knockout savings challenge. And hopefully you caught the mistake that I made, or maybe I did by now editing it. But either way, we're moving on. We are moving on. So this knockout savings challenge actually is, let's see if we can get some. It's actually I'm doing it in the terms of a low budget. So instead of following the instruction, which you will find listed here, how to play, I'm just going through and I'm adding $1 every single round. I believe it's $78 we calculated. So what you do is you add in $1 to every envelope. And I think we're going to pull another savings challenge as well. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so I could add another $1 and finish this round, but I have another savings challenge that I want to get started on because it's going to take me so long to work on. I think we'll just leave this now. So once I complete this second round, I will take all the money from the for round 2 and I will color in my gloves, and that will mean I completed round 2. But we're not going to complete round 2 today, so you're not going to see me do that. Hopefully next Sunday when we come together, we will take care of that. Let me grab my other savings challenge that I wanted to get going on. Be right back. All right, so this is the other savings challenge that I am working on, and this is the anime savings challenge book. I did not print the book. I am just simply working on one savings challenge to save $225 in 2025. And this is going to take me a while only because my income is not very high, and there may be times where I have to stack my money, and I do have space in the back to stack my money until I can actually color off one of my numbers. But since we're getting started today, we have $10. I'm going to save the fives so that way when I need the low amounts of five, then I can actually color those in. But we have $10 here, and we're going to go ahead and start it off. Yay! I was thinking I kind of wanted to use this for my birthday. If it's done before then, maybe for my kiddos, but we'll see. I was thinking it's going to take me a lot longer than, you know, what I'm envisioning. But my side hustles have been coming through, so I think maybe it may not be that long, but we'll see. All right, so I went ahead and put little stickers for the amounts at the bottom, so I know how much is going in each slot. And so for this one here, it says $10. I'm just going to go ahead and slide this $10 in here. And just in case you're curious, this is just a little photo album. And they have them at Dollar Tree, Walmart, whatever. But I just used this because it was already on hand. And it works perfectly for what I'm needing it for. And in fact, I was thinking once I completed this, I can try it again. Maybe even add in another anime. But we'll see. I'm not going to get ahead of myself. I'm just trying to get started with my savings. And I want to try to get into a position where it's going smoothly and I am seeing my progress, and I can be proud of myself when I look back on this. But that's it for now, guys. Thank you so much for stopping by. I appreciate each and every one of you. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. All of the things that can keep us connected. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.